Hey guys, it's Jason over at the Saber Workshop. I just wanted to quick show you something, a prototype that I've been working on pretty much. I've taken one of the color day blades and I've done something crazy with it. Well, it's probably not crazy, but I have not seen these on the market, so I'm going to work on getting these made in a bunch of different colors and see if you guys dig them. So check this out. So here we have a purple day blade. And we've converted it to pixel.
New horizon.
So you can get some really cool effects by going through the different colors. You see how this is like on camera it doesn't really look it, but it's like this is like an orange with a red outline. Because obviously the outside diffusion color.
The chosen. New horizon. The dark sword.
There's just straight up white.
The assassin.
Here it is with red. So I kind of look at it as it's like if you ever played the MMO, the old Star Wars: The Old Republic.
The night.
You know, you can have like different center colors and outside colors on your blade. Again, it's a prototype, so, you know, as you can see, the tip's not perfect, but the idea is there. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, if you think it's a cool idea or not. Let me know if I should move forward. If I should move forward and you guys are interested in them, I'll have them made and we can sell them, and we can get them in a bunch of different colors. Thanks.